Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be opening a parcel. So a bit of an unboxing. Sent to me by a really good friend of mine, Danny Rees. Really appreciate it. So he sent me some bits that I might find interesting. So really appreciate that, mate. I've opened a little bit already just to avoid most of the screeching of the plastic and that around it. But we'll get on to the main unboxing itself. Okay, so here's the box itself. Bit of a close-up shot, I know. I've omitted the address and all that for obvious reasons. So to cut it open, I've got my nice 1955 dated clasp knife. So these are the post-war. It's one of the post-war ones, which went away from the sort of fiber or bakelite grips kind of thing. I think bakelite, some of them anyway, or some of them were fiber anyway. But yeah, stainless steel ones, 1955. Quite good condition blade still as well. It's had a little bit of grinding, but not much too. Well, not much that is. But yeah, nice little one. So we're gonna get that open. I've started up a little bit already, but we'll carry on and we'll get on with it. Okay. Okay, let's get this open then. What do we have here? Get that out of the way. Enjoy, Doctor. What's this? Oh wow! Oh, thanks so much, Danny. That's really nice. That's the Heritage Regiment Museum little badge. I like that. That's really nice. That's brilliant. That's just that. That's brilliant. Out the way. Oh wow, okay. This is really good. Okay. Okay, what do we have here? Oh wow. King Shropshire Light Infantry. Oh, sorry, camera's fallen. King Shropshire Light Infantry. Regimental Journal, June 1938. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh, that's brilliant. Thank you so much, mate. There's a couple of them here actually. June 1935. Presentation of colours, number. Sort of thing on the back again. That's brilliant. What we got here? Oh wow, okay. Map of France and the Low Countries. Oh, again, camera's falling. Sorry about that. Oh, that's brilliant. Thank you, mate. Northern garrisons. Later, army at war. Map of Iceland. The stepping stones even. Routes from Canada to the UK. That's one of the Northern Isles, Shetland and Orkneys, Faroe Islands. Oh, that's really, really good, mate. That's really cool. Thank you. What have we got here? Oh wow, what's this? What is this? Oh wow, okay. Let's get this round the other way. Let's raise this up a bit. So we have a map of Salisbury and Bulford. So at the top. Oh, that's really, really cool. What's the date on this? Ordnance Survey map. That's really, really cool. Oh, there we go. 1931. Oh, that's really, really cool, mate. Thank you so much. I like that a lot. It's very cool. Very cool. Oh, very cool. I know what one of these items is. From the look of it. Oh, crikey. Right, let's put this down here again. Make sure it stays. There we go. What's this? Oh wow, okay. It's a end of a shell case, 25-pounder. That's wicked. 1944. Has that been made into an ashtray? That has as well. Oh, I love that. That's so cool. Oh, again, camera's falling. Sorry again. I'll have to get something to stand on. Give me a second. Oh, God. Probably saw some of the mess in the room. There we go, that's a bit better. Now it's got something to stand on now. But yeah. That is awesome. That is so cool. Thank you so much, mate. And the next one. Let's get another one. Another 25-pounder, 1942 this one. There's a few more markings on that one. That's so cool. Is that another ashtray? What is that, like a little lamp? Does that unscrew? I'm not sure. I'm not sure if that's another ashtray or not, I'm not too sure. Dan will probably tell me exactly what it is. But the other one's, I think, definitely an ashtray, but that is really, really cool, mate. Thank you so much for that, that's awesome. Now, what's this down here? Oh, I think, yeah, just get this one out. Right. This, I think I knew this one was coming. Thank you so much, mate, for that. Appreciate it. One of the windproof smocks. That is so cool. Raise it up. That is so nice. That's a really, really nice one. Let's see if we've got any dates, etc. inside. There we go. Smock camouflage, windproof. There's a notice stock number. Notice size even, sorry. and the stock number itself. That's very cool, mate. Really appreciate that. Thanks. Better condition than my one is, anyway. But yeah, that's awesome. Thanks, mate. Appreciate that. That's awesome. Just put that to the side. Put this down. And then looks like the final item. Yep, is a 24-hour ration pack. That's really cool, mate. I've actually been after these for a while. In the box as well. That's wicked. So I think I'll do a separate unboxing of this itself on a later video and see if we can try some bits in it, possible. But yeah, awesome. Thanks so much, mate. I'll just get the box out of the way. Just put that there. Yeah, that is absolutely awesome. That is so cool. Everything here is just, yeah, very cool, mate. Get this out of the way. Sorry, seems to be everything's in the way today. But yeah, that is brilliant. Thanks so much, mate, and that is a really nice little touch as well. Awesome. Thanks so much, Danny. Appreciate it. So I really hope you enjoyed that. I definitely did. Thank you again to Danny Rees. Really appreciate that, to send me this stuff, and yeah, it's brilliant. It's really appreciated. As I said, I'm going to do some little videos on some of the individual items in this box, definitely on the ration box itself and its contents. And if you anyone's interested, check out herefordshirelad on TikTok. That's Danny's TikTok. I'll put a link down in the description to it for it later. If you really like this video and you want to see others, please like, comment and subscribe. Really appreciated. All that sort of stuff. Also, if you want to check out my podcast, which I do with Steve Davis from Living History UK, please do so. That's on Spotify, Amazon Music, Apple Music, etc. Episode 6 is out now, and we've also got some other good episodes lined up coming to you soon. So one with a World War II veteran who was in the Oxford Light Infantry as well. So if you want to check that out, please do. But as I said, thank you so much for joining me for this. Again, really appreciate Danny for sending me this. It's awesome. I really like the 25-pounder ashtrays. They're awesome. They're really cool, and definitely the windproof smock as well. So thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you later. Have a good one. Bye.